serious, welcome back to the same network, Study Abroad Made Easy with valeenovarah. Today is another video, but it's different because it's a special video for me. This video is going to mark the 200 video upload on my channel, and I am so excited because it's a huge milestone. I know every time you hear us say things like, I have grown from 500 subscribers to 1K subscribers to 2K subscribers. It's also important that we celebrate the number of uploads we put out on our YouTube channel. So I'm doing this for myself because I know that uploading 200 videos for you guys is a huge deal for me. So in celebration of that huge achievement on this channel, I am going to be revealing my Master's in Cybersecurity degree, yes, from the University of Alabama at Birmingham. I graduated in December of 2020. And yeah, it was a very odd year. The pandemic happened and we didn't have like an in-person graduation ceremony. It was virtual, but it was a huge deal for me because I had transferred, I had left my home country to the US to, get my master's in cybersecurity. That was a huge move to make. It takes a lot of courage to be here without family and just, continue to do your studies and face all the challenges and struggles that you have to deal with as an international student. I'm sorry if you keep hearing all the noise. This is my members of the Telegram community that I have, which is a community of aspiring and current international students. So if you're not a part of that community, the link is in the description down below, so you can join that Telegram group and network with other people like you. So yeah, in today's video, I'm just going to be unveiling that degree so you can see and be a part of this journey. I received this degree in January of 2021, and I wanted to make a video that time, but I wasn't really stable. I was dealing with so much, going through so much. So that was the last thing on my mind. So I did not even open my degree because I wanted to share that experience with you people. And I feel like I'm in a place where I can actually do that. I mean, you can see my hair, right? I'm very excited, guys. I'm so excited. And I don't know if I will, show the emotion as I did when I received it, but just know that I am very grateful deep down because it took a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, a lot of, not giving up to achieve this feat. So this is like a huge deal for me. And I'm also going to be comparing my degree with my degree from, my master's and my bachelor's in Nigeria and my diploma as well. So pretty much if this in January, like I said, I already did this because I knew I needed to do it when I'm filming the video. So I did not want to start looking for like a knife or a cutter. So basically this is how it, oh my God, this is so, oh my God, I can't believe this. This is the University of Alabama at Birmingham, Alabama. My goodness, guys, this is amazing. I can't tell you, everything that happened during my time here. It was really challenging for me. And for somebody who is very I'm this embodiment of strength, embodiment of never give up, embodiment of hope and courage to a lot of people, I found myself struggling during my master's program here in the US. I had terrible experiences from the moment I arrived here, from my first semester to my second semester to my third semester and my last semester. So there was no breathing space for me. There was no time that I didn't adjust. I didn't know when I arrived and I didn't know when I graduated because I was just dealing with so many things. And I think I've shared a couple of those experiences on my channel. I shared a playlist about how terrible my roommate was to me that even got to the point where I became homeless. So you can search through my channel to see it. If I have the time, I'll add the playlist here so you can see. It was really terrible for me. I was homeless twice. 2 persons deceived me. And from that moment, I was struggling in my program because I had deferred my admission from fall to spring. So there were some courses I didn't take in fall that are only offered in fall. And so I was taking more advanced courses in spring, and that I found myself struggling. And I was dealing with roommate crisis. It was really hard. From that point on, it was just God. It was just God, because there were times when I didn't know what to. I said it. I was homeless. Now I had to start staying with a white lady who was very kind enough to had let me into her home, and then I moved into a new apartment again. I became homeless again because the person had lied to me, and then the courses, my professors. It was just funding. At some point, I was dealing with some personal, like deep personal things that I am not ready to share yet. So it was really deep for me. And, I didn't even know that it was going to be that bad. I know I pushed. I know because of the person I am, that was one thing that kept me going. And one thing that actually kept me going more was the people that are looking up to me. So you guys really, really motivate and keep me going. So let's go ahead to... Oh my God, that felt so good. That felt so good. I don't know if you can see this, but this is my degree right there. I don't know, man. I don't know if you can see that. But that's my degree. This is the University of Alabama at Birmingham, College of Arts and Sciences, on recommendation of the president and graduate faculty, the board of trustees, by virtue of the authority vested in it, has conferred on valeenovarah, that's me, that's your girl, the degree Master of Science, in testimony thereof, whereof this diploma is issued with the seal of the university and the signatures authorized by the trustees hereinto affixed this I don't know, but this calligraphic writing makes it this 12th day of December 2020, because I graduated officially December 12th 2020. And then this is the signature of the Dean, College of Arts and Sciences, Laurie. And this is the same person that I received a scholarship from in the school. So I made a video where I talked about how I gained my scholarship from the University of Alabama. So you can watch that video. If I see the link, I can add it here, but just search through my channel. I put it on there. And this is the president of the board of trustees, Ray L. Walter. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is it. And I like the way that the package is. Like, this is our gold. It's like our emblem. We have gold. This is our color. Don't mind me. This is our color. It's gold and then green. So yeah, blazers all the way. And I like the way they package it. It's really pretty and beautiful. I'm so excited, guys, because it wasn't easy. Like I say, it's not easy. When I say it here, it's looking like, oh, what's she talking about? But it's not easy. When you come here, I pray that all of your dreams are achieved. Like, God will answer your prayer, so you come here and then experience what it is that I'm talking about. Because sometimes when we talk about it, it's like, oh, we're overflogging the issues. We're not. There are certain things you deal with here as an international student. And if you're not prepared mentally, physically, if you're not strong as a person, you might find yourself dealing with so much. What happened to me, the things that I didn't even mention here, was enough to get somebody to like withdraw from the program and just give up and say, you know what, I'm going back to my home country. But that's not my kind of person. When I start something, I ensure that I get it done, like I finish it. So I'm really, really excited. This is a huge, huge, huge achievement on my part, for myself, for my family, for my friends, for my sponsor, for the people that are looking up to me. And I cannot thank them enough for how well they were, like they stood by me during this period. I am so grateful to God, especially because without God, none of this would even come to fruition. So I'm very grateful. And I'm also grateful to my professors in school that were very encouraging, and my friends in school, like my white friends and even my Nigerian friends. I'm so grateful for those people. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going to go ahead to add it here. You know what? Because I bought this, I think I made a vlog in my vlog channel when I bought this, certificate holder. I think I'm doing it wrongly, so I'm just going to remove the one here. You can get this from Walmart, because I got mine from Walmart. So you can get it from Walmart. I'm just going to get my own here. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I'm praying that anybody watching this video, all of your dreams will be achieved and you will graduate as well. You will graduate, because it's not easy. So I'm just gonna add it here. Oh my god, this is not my size. Ooh, guys, I got the wrong one. It's not the size of my distance. It doesn't fit. So, but it does look good. So it means I'm gonna get something else. Yeah, I got the certificate holder, but because I had not opened my certificate at all, so I just left it there. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead to compare my degree. In case I didn't mention, I graduated with what is it called? A CGPA of 3. I can't even remember my CGPA. That's funny. But yeah, I graduated like distinction. I graduated first class, if you want to put it that way. And so let's just do my comparison. This is my diploma. I have a diploma in computer science education from the from Delta State University. I don't know if you can see it, but that's it. Okay, so this one is unveiling annually valeenovarah. Having fulfilled all the requirements of the university and passed the prescribed examination, has this day been awarded Diploma in Computer Science Education with distinction. So you can see that even here, I had a distinction. This was 23rd February 2011. So I did my Diploma in Computer Science Education. Then this is my Bachelor's in Computer Science from the same university, Delta State University, Abraka. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, so yeah, this is us valeenovarah annually, having satisfied all the requirements of the university and passed the prescribed examinations held in October 2014, has been admitted to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science with first class honors given at Abraka this 23rd day of March 2015. And this is the signature of my Vice Chancellor and my registrar and the date. So yes, guys, that's it. I am so excited. Like all of my degrees, all of my diploma, all of my certificates, they are so special to me because I put in my all to them. I remember in my diploma, it was like, it was very crazy because I started 1 month to exams. So, and I think my course advisor at the time felt like I was a very unserious student. But after the first semester, he looked at me and said, you know what you're doing. And so it made me really smile because I broke the record there in the College of Education. Is it College of Education? In the Department of, Arts and Sciences. I can't remember what it was called then, but yeah, I broke the record there. And then when I proceeded to do my Bachelor's in Computer Science, it was crazy because I think there was no girl that had a first class in computer science, or it was just one girl. I can't remember, but I broke the record again. And it was just so amazing because I had so many challenges too. I know I didn't have as much challenge in my bachelor's as I had in my master's. That's why my master's degree is really very important to me because I dealt with so many things. During my bachelor's days, it was just pretty much me not going for events, not going for parties here and there. It was just me. I had other things like extracurricular activities that I was doing, and I was excelling in all of these things, but I didn't have like so much challenge that like I dealt with here, being in a new country and trying to navigate your way and life around the people and the program itself. So yeah, if you want me to make a video about how I graduated with first class, what advice to give to you, how you can come here and also graduate with first class, and how you can navigate your life and your way and find that balance, work-life balance, and even personal life and school balance, let me know, because I think I want to start making more content around academic excellence, because I excel in academics. It's like one of my top things that I am very good at. So I'm looking at doing more of such videos. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys. So yeah, 3 times first class graduate. I have broken the record and I keep breaking the record, and I thank God, because I know that most people felt like, oh, when she comes to the US, she will not be able to do the same thing. Maybe it's only Nigeria that she can do it. No. So yes, guys, I am so excited to have shared this video with you people, reviewed my degrees with you people. So thank you so much. This is my 200th video and I am so grateful. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and until we see you again in my next video, I remain valeenovarah and I pledge to never give up, and I hope that you do same. Bye guys.